Friends, welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this one, I'm going to do the charging speed test comparison between the Realme GT Neo 2 versus Poco F3 GT device. So this is going to be really very interesting, friends, because this is a question which has been requested by most of my subscribers asking me to compare these both phones. The main reason is because both phones, they do have the huge battery capacity, 5000 mAh of battery capacity in the Realme GT Neo 2 and 5065 mAh of battery capacity in the Poco F3 GT device. And both phones, they do have the really very fast charging. The Poco F3 GT comes with a 67 watts charger and 65 watt super dot charger from the Realme GT Neo 2. Let's see in this video which phone will be able to charge faster for every like 10 minutes, 50%, 20 minutes, 30 minutes and full charge. Which phone can you actually do that? How much difference can it be there between these both phones in terms of the charging speed rate? And what about the temperatures? How much high temperatures the both phone can actually reach? These are the few things which I'll try to notice in this entire video. So make sure to watch till end of the video, friends, and don't forget to follow the playlist of these both phones in case if you are having any other doubts. So the playlist will give you the clear idea of what is going on with the both phones. And in my charging test right now, I'll try to do the charging test with the 1%. So both phones are exactly 1% of the battery capacity. You can clearly see at this moment, as you can see, friends, 1%. So there is no Wi-Fi connection, there is no mobile data, nothing is enabled at this moment. All the live wallpapers are completely disabled, which I used to use before. So right now, let me try to connect the charging cables to the both phones and start the stopwatch at the same time. Use the cable. And this is going to be really very interesting, friends. And in case if you want me to compare with any other smartphone, let me know in the comment section below with what phone you want me to compare. Definitely I'll do my best to post the video as soon as possible. Right now the stopwatch has been started successfully. You will be able to see the animation coming in both phones. So super dot charger and MI turbocharge is activated in both phones successfully. And now I'll try to keep this both phones side. I won't touch them, and let's take the temperatures: 29.8, 31.2 degrees, 30 degrees. So in the beginning, both phones are kind of close to 30 degrees Celsius and 31 and 30. Nothing much huge difference in the beginning. Let's see, friends, again I'll be back after 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, we'll be able to get to know what is happening with the charging speed between both of the smartphones. So this is going to be really very interesting. And in the Poco F3 GT, you do have the RGB light effects on the back side, which you can see for the charging speed, how it's charging. So below 20%, red color, above 20%, and between 90 or I think 90 or 80, somewhere around the yellow color, and after that green color. This is the lighting will change on the back side. That's kind of one bonus point, but still, again I'll be back after 10 minutes. Then I'll try to check the temperatures and the battery percentage. So right now, as you can see, friends, we're getting close to exactly 10 minutes of continuously charging this both phones, Realme GT Neo 2 and the Poco F3 GT, and this is going to be really interesting, friends, as I said. So let's see which one can actually charge what kind of battery percentage in the first 10 minutes of time. And let's check the temperatures right now: 34.8 degrees and 34.6 degrees. Same kind of temperatures both phones are maintaining exactly. And around 10 minutes of time, I'm going to show you what is happening. 40% and this phone charger to 28%. The Poco F3 GT, ready to click and show you lock screen. As you can see, 28% the phone charge, 28% and 40% overall the difference. You can clearly see what is happening. This for the first 10 minutes of charging only, and temperature is around close to 34 degrees. Both phones are maintaining 34 degrees Celsius, both phones. On the back side also 34. The back side also 34. I can see the light got changed now, different color. So right now 34 degrees Celsius both phones are having exactly. So I will be back after some time. Let's see how much the phone can actually charge after maybe close to 20 minutes of time. But meanwhile, I'll try to write down the 50% charging speed as well. After 50% which phone can actually charge faster as well. That's another thing I need to note down. 50%, because few users, they want to know even 50% which phone takes fast amount of time. But in this rate, I do think the Realme GT Neo 2 can actually charge 50% very faster than the Poco F3 GTs. Right now the Poco F3 GT is about close to 32%. You can see 32% right now it's showing. I wish they could have added some kind of number like that big one, so it will be really good, but right now we don't have that kind of option anyway. So I'll try to keep it aside. So again I'll be back after some time. So right now, as you can see, friends, we're getting close to exactly 20 minutes of time. In 20 minutes of time, the battery charged to 72% in the Realme GT Neo 2, and in the Poco F3 GT charged to 57%. As you can see, exactly 57%. Slightly, I'm seeing slow charge in the Poco F3 GT. I'm not sure why, because of maybe of the update or some. But I did connect to the only MI turbo charge. I'm not using any other cable or any other adapter. Same 67 watts cable only I'm trying to use. Same charger only I'm trying to charge using this, at this moment. And these are the results which we got right now. And let me try to write down the readings: 57 and 74. This exact percentage I'm trying to write down. And now let me try to check the temperatures. What is happening? 34.8 is the low temperatures. 35.6. Sometimes because of the high temperature readings, the charging can be slowed down. Yes, sometimes it does happen in few of the mechanism phones. Now let me try to check in this device inside the temperature how much it's showing inside the phone's battery. So it's showing 38 degrees Celsius inside the battery application in the Poco F3 GT. You can clearly see, friends, what is happening at this moment. So again, I'll be back after some time. Let's see how much phone can actually charge after some time. Maybe after exactly 30 minutes, close to 30 minutes of time. So till now, the Realme GT Neo 2 was able to charge very much faster, not bad. So let's see what happens to the Poco F3 GT in the next 30 minutes. We'll be able to get to know. So right now, as you can see, friends, we're getting close to exactly 30 minutes of time. Let's see in the 30 minutes phones how much the battery got charged. That's what I'm going to exactly demonstrate. In 30 minutes, the Realme GT charged up to GT Neo 98% in the Realme GT Neo 2, and Poco F3 GT charged up to, let me need to check exactly, 84% of the battery. Let me show you 84%. Let's check what is the temperatures detected in this phone. So 98% and 84% in terms of the battery charging speeds. So the temperature is about 34 degrees at this moment. So everything is pretty low, not bad. So for 30 minutes, 84% of the battery got charged in the Poco F3 GT and 98% in the Realme GT Neo 2. Not bad in terms of the charging speed, the Poco F3 GT slightly. So usually the Poco F3 GT takes about close to 41 minutes and 42 minutes of time in terms of the charging speed rate. This is how it is in this phone. And this 5000 mAh battery, it's really very fast, friends. That's another very fast, incredibly fast, and right now it's 98%. So usually it takes kind of very close to 33 minutes and somewhere around that kind of time to charge 100%. To charge fully charge 100%, it takes a little bit kind of more time. So in my testing, to get 100%, average it takes 34 minutes, 35 minutes, 33 minutes as well sometimes. So it's kind of here and there. So we cannot estimate every time exact charging minute. Always it's not possible. So every time 2 to 3 minutes up and down will be happening every time. So overall in terms of the temperature is also not bad. Right now the temperature is of 31.6 degrees Celsius and 33.4 degrees Celsius. I forgot to write down the readings for 20 minutes as well. I think during 20 minutes of time, the temperature is slightly higher in the Poco F3 GT. At that time, that's the reason why it did not charge very much faster. But still the Poco F3 GT was able to charge 84% in 30 minutes of time. That's a really good thing. I mean, it's not that too slow, but still it was kind of good. And 99% already in the Realme GT Neo 2 and 99% in the Poco F3 GT. We reached about 86% in the Poco F3 GT. 86% and 99%. So again, I'll be back. So no need to be back because anytime the phone can get actually full charge. So 99% right now. You can see 99%. Right now time is about 34 minutes and the phone charged to exactly 100%, around 34 minutes of time in the Realme GT Neo 2. 34 minutes. And in the Poco F3 GT, the phone is about 90% at this moment. As you can see, 90%. So still the phone gonna take some time to charge 100%, so don't need to worry about those. So 34 minutes of time the Realme GT Neo 2 took to charge 100%, and the Poco F3 GT also will take a little bit kind of more time, maybe close to 10 minutes, I think, more time to charge 100%. Let's see what will happen with the final result. And charging speed slightly got slowed down in the Poco F3 GT. I can definitely feel a little bit got slowed down when charging. I did see that kind of difference. And in the Realme GT Neo 2, it's kind of really brand new mobile phone. So that's the reason why it's kind of really charging very fast. And we got the symbol indication saying that fully charged as well. So fully charged around close to 34 minutes and 50 seconds, somewhere around that. So 35 minutes as a round figure. Try to consider 35 minutes of time the Realme GT Neo 2 completely charged, as you can see. So one thing, always this test cannot be similar every time whenever I'm trying to do. So this is one thing you should definitely understand. Always this will vary. And right now the Poco F3 GT is still doing its charging time. It's of 91%, and the estimated time is about close to, let me just check in the battery settings, we'll be able to see it, I think so. So it takes until 5 minutes of time is showing the estimated time, so close to 40 minutes of time. Temperature also decreased a little bit, not bad. So I can be back after some time. So right now we're getting close to exactly kind of 45 minutes as well. Right now it's 41 minutes. Right now let me just show you the battery percentage of 97%, and the temperature is remaining 34 degrees, 97%. You can clearly see here. So usually it should take kind of close to 42 minutes and 43 minutes, but sometimes it will take slightly slow charge. So even with the Poco F3 GT as well, sometimes it's kind of 42 minutes, sometimes 45 minutes, sometimes 44 minutes. So this used to charge in this manner. And even I did notice slowly charge as well. So let me know in the comment section below, friends, in case if you have the Poco F3 GT, if you notice any kind of slow charge or not in this device. But the Realme GT Neo 2 was perfect, like it's completely charged in 34 minutes of time. 5000 mAh of battery. 5000. That's really incredible thing, friends, in the charging speed. And this phone can charge, I think, maybe 45 minutes, I think. So right now it's 98% at this moment anyway. So again, I'll be back after some time. Let's see how much more time the phone gonna take. Right now it's off close to 45 minutes as well, and the battery reached to 99%. As you can see, 99% at this moment. Still we are getting close to 45 minutes as well. So 45 minutes, 99%. So the phone gonna take maybe a little bit kind of more time, I think. Depending to write down. So there is nothing to write. So I'll try to just remember 99%, 45 minutes. I think the phone should not take much time to come to 100% anyway. So right now it's just showing 99%. Let's see how much more time the phone gonna take to charge 100%. Finally, friends, the phone charged to 100% exactly, as you can see clearly. Around 47 minutes of time the phone took to charge to 100%. So overall it used to take close to 43 minutes and 44 minutes of time and 42 minutes. Sometimes it's kind of low, sometimes it's kind of more, as I said. So 34 minutes and the 47 minutes are all the time taken to charge the both phones. You can clearly see, I think it's kind of close to, so 13 minutes of difference is there between these both phones, not bad. So even though for this kind of 5000 mAh of battery capacity, still it's really fast and incredible good in the both phones. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this, friends. Stay tuned for more updates. So previously it used to charge within close to 42 minutes of time, as you can see previous results. So now it did take about close to 47 minutes, sometimes 43 minutes, sometimes 44 minutes. So it depends randomly, friends. It's not that consistent every time. So this is another video which I'm trying to show you the charging speed when I did before the Poco F3 GT as well. So you can actually see the time, how much time it actually took to charge 100%. Previously the result, as you can see, 100% it charged around close to 46 minutes of time. As you can see, friends, clearly right now it took about close to 47 minutes of time. So overall it's kind of 46 minutes and 45 minutes as in taken average as well in this device. That's it, friends. Thank you for watching this, friends. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.